Hello guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel if you did not this. Okay, so in this video we learn about how to program in Arduino and how to upload the program to our Arduino board. So here we can see the predefined basic structure of the Arduino program. The setup function is used to initialize pin modes or serial begin function, and this is called only one time when your program starts, and after calling your setup function the loop function is called, and the loop function runs its statements continuously. Let's write a small code. Pin mode. The pin mode is a function. This is a built-in function and it used two arguments. First argument holds the pin number and the second argument holds the pin type, output or input. And the digital write is also a built-in function. It contains also two arguments. First one is the pin number and second one is the output type, high voltage or low voltage. Delay contains only one argument of time unit as millisecond. So here we write 1000, it means the program delay for 1 second. And after digital write low voltage, it will be delay for 1 second. So now verify our sketch. This is a program for blinking LED. So I name it blink. Compiling sketch. Done compiling. Now you have to connect the Arduino board with our cable and connect the cable with our computer, and after connected it we have to check our board is connected or not. Go to tools and you can find the board. Yes, this is checked here, Arduino Uno board. Check the port, COM3 is tick marked, that's mean all is okay. So now we have to upload it. Let's upload. Compiling sketch, uploading, done uploading. Okay, your upload has complete. So now check the Arduino board. If you don't have 5V DC barrel jack, then you can power it with this USB also. So let's power it up and check the Arduino board. The LED is blinking. I defined to my code the 13 number pin as output. That's why the LED is blinking, because the LED is connected to the 13 number pin by default. If you enjoy it, then like it and stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.